There's a reason some women never have to chase. Men come to them. They follow. They wonder. They obsess. Without even knowing why. It's not always beauty. It's not always charm. It's something deeper. Something ancient. Something psychologists now call the dark feminine. Today, I'll reveal 5 dark feminine secrets that awaken a man's subconscious drive to chase you, without him ever realizing what's happening. The first secret is the most counterintuitive. It's the power of silence. Men are biologically wired to solve mysteries. It's hardwired into our DNA. When you stop giving away all the pieces of the puzzle that is you, when you hold parts of yourself back, you create a mystery. In the field of psychology, this is called the Zeigarnik effect. When we encounter a puzzle or a problem, and then our attention is diverted before its completion, our brains will always favor the unfinished task. Your silence creates an unfinished puzzle in his mind. Every unanswered question keeps you alive in his thoughts. Long after your physical presence is gone, he'll replay your words, trying to decode you. Silence is not weakness, it's magnetic. Strong women know this. Secret no. 2. Emotional contrast. Men are programmed to chase what they can't have. It's a primal drive, but you won't make him chase if you're too easy to get. See, the dark feminine moves like water. Water is soft, flowing, inviting. But try to grasp it and you'll find it's impossible to hold. The dark feminine is much the same. One moment you're warm, open, and nurturing. The next you're cool, distant, and reserved. This emotional contrast activates his chase instinct. Why? Because the brain craves what it can't fully predict. The more elusive you are emotionally, the more he'll want to understand you. This doesn't mean being cold or shutting him out. It means being deeply in touch with your emotions and allowing them to flow through you without trying to control or change them. In Jungian psychology, it's called embracing the anima. It's the full expression of the feminine soul. The more you embody the full spectrum of your emotions, the more he'll feel pulled into your depth. No. 3. The unspoken language. Now, I've never believed in the saying, eyes are the windows to the soul, but there's truth in them. Your eyes do reveal something of your inner world. Strong women know this. We use our eyes to communicate volumes without saying a word. One lingering glance, a knowing smile, the pause before you answer. These are all ways you can trigger a man's psyche without saying a word. Psychologists peg this as nonverbal dominance. It's how leaders command attention without speaking. But in the feminine form, it's intoxicating. When you master presence, the way you stand, the way you breathe, the way you look through him instead of at him, he'll feel pulled in by something primal. It's magnetic. It's wild. It's the unspoken language of the dark feminine. Secret no. 4. The mystery of self-sufficiency. Women who don't need a man to complete them are the most alluring to men. Think about it. Men are biologically wired to chase and conquer, but they're most drawn to the most elusive prey. When you live fully, passionately, with your own life, friends, and goals, you send a silent message. You don't need him to be happy. You already are. When you're rooted in your own world, he's drawn to it like a moth to a flame. He wants to be part of your world, not the center of it. This is what Jung meant by the individuated self, a wholeness that doesn't need to be completed by anyone else. It's magnetic because it's real. And the final secret, no. 5. Shadow energy. Every person has a shadow, the hidden parts of ourselves we repress, the desires, the fears, the instincts we ignore. Most of us spend our lives denying our shadow, trying to be good little girls or good little boys. But this creates a fragmentation within us. It leaves us incomplete. The dark feminine embraces the shadow. She stops denying it, hating it, or trying to control it. She expresses it, and in doing so, she becomes whole. When she owns her shadow, she becomes bold, unapologetic, and slightly dangerous. And men are both terrified and turned on by that energy, because it mirrors their own buried shadow. It's like a magnet. He doesn't know why he's drawn to you, only that you awaken something powerful within him. It's attraction beyond logic. It's psychological gravity. So there you have it, 5 dark feminine secrets that make men chase without knowing why. Remember, these aren't tricks or manipulations. They're expressions of your true self. Embrace them, own them, and watch as men are drawn to you like moths to a flame. If you've made it this far, you're not a woman. If you love this video and want to learn more about the dark feminine, watch this video here.